Welcome all of you to Colonel's Academy and Training Center YouTube channel. Notification for NDA 1 2025 has been published on 11th December 2024 for NDA 1 2025. Notification details are examination notice 3/2025-NDA-1, application start date 11 December 2024, last date of submission of application 31st December 2024, modification of application 1st January to 7th January 2025, date of examination 13 April 2025, official website upsconline.gov.in. Vacancy, total 406 vacancy has been declared. Army 208, Navy 42, Air Force 120 including ground duties, Naval Academy +2 cadet entry scheme 36 vacancy. All put together it is 406 vacancies. Age limit 16 and half to 19 and half. Minimum age is 16 and half and upper age is 19 and half. Cut-off age, candidate born not earlier than 2nd July 2006 and not later than 1st July 2009 are eligible. Educational qualification for Army Wing 12th pass, Air Force, Naval Wing of NDA and for 10+2 entry scheme 12th pass with PCM. Physical standard, minimum height for male 157 cm, for female 152 cm. Candidates must be physically fit according to physical standards of NDA and NA examination. Details of examination: 2 paper, mathematics and general ability test. Mathematics 2.5 hour, total mark 300. General ability test 2.5 hour, total mark 600. Both paper put together 900 mark. SSB interview 900 mark, total 1800 mark. Out of that the merit will declare. Examination fees for SC, ST, female, ward of JCOs, NCOs, OR candidates are exempted from fees. For other candidates, it's 100 rupees. You have to ensure the following document must be ready with you before you log into the site to submit the application. Latest passport size photo, your signature, metric certificate, +2 certificate, Aadhaar card, active mobile number, active mail ID, caste certificate if any, NCC certificate if any. Now, in case anybody required any kind of assistance or coaching, you can approach Colonel's Academy and Training Center, Coast Town, Bangalore. Our website, email ID and mobile numbers are given in the next slide. Thank you.